What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Jasmine. Alright, you guys, welcome back. If you're new, make sure you guys go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe because we are lit. We are lit over here. So today we're gonna be doing knotless braids, as you guys can see. I want to try it myself. I wanted to do pink, but y'all keep taking all the pink hair. I'm like, bro. Y'all know y'all wild, but it's okay because the blue did me well. I'm gonna show y'all the beads that I was gonna do if I had got the pink hair. They were so cute. I'm gonna insert a video.
Ooh, these are so cute. See, these would have been so fun with the pink. Y'all make me sick.
But yes, you guys, make sure you guys stay tuned if you want to know how I did this. So stick around, stick around, stick around.
Okay, for this style, you're gonna need some pre-stretched braiding hair. I got 3-pack of the Xpression and 1 bead, and I also got a 1-pack of Kankalong and this 2-tone blue color. Okay, so you're also gonna need some beads. I got the clear ones with glitter. I also got some mousse, some shine and jam, and some rubber bands. Alright, let's go. So I already separated my hair into certain sections, so when I get to parting it, it won't be as hard. So we're gonna go ahead and put my hair away. Yeah. I took one piece out from the back because I'm gonna start from the back, and I'm gonna use my phone so I can see the back of my head. Alright, so I already did the bottom portion because y'all know how long that first braid takes. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and start off by just parting my hair again, you know, kind of cleaning it up or whatever. And then, you know, just add a little shine and jam on it, so slick that down. But yeah, split it in half so I can go ahead and focus on just one braid. So yeah, so we're gonna put that away, and with this one section I'm gonna put shine and jam around the perimeter of it, and then I'm gonna part my hair in 3 pieces so that, you know, it'll be evenly distributed throughout the whole braid. And the way that I did this first was not the way that I finished. So you see how I added the hair at the root this time? Like, you know how like a box braid is. So I kind of did it like that at first because I didn't know how to do it. Mind you, this is my first time. So yeah, but you know, I just started adding pieces in, just like feeding it in regularly. But my dilemma was my braid was too fat. That's when I realized that I was doing it wrong. Like, you see how it's kind of like a knotted box braid, so I fixed that when I got to the front. So we're just gonna go through it again. Like I said, you put shine and jam on the perimeter of the part, and then I sectioned it into like 3 pieces. I still did it the wrong way this time as well. I didn't start doing it till like I got further up, but I added it at the top, and then I just kept going on. And I made my pieces smaller as I got to the front because I didn't want no big jumbo braids in the front that just wasn't about to go down. But yeah, so just keep feeding in. I only put 3 to 4 pieces in each one. But I also, you know, kind of skimped down on the hair because I was putting too much in. But yeah, so just keep going. And I wanted a little peekaboo kind of effect with the blue. But like I said, with the 2-tone blue, you can't really do that. But yeah. So it's the next day. I finished some of it, and I also did a heart part, y'all. It was cute. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish the back. Only got like a few more pieces in the back. I had to take a break, y'all. I was frustrated with these parts because, for real, trying to see on that phone. You'll be straining your eyes and all. I need some glasses. But yeah, so we're just gonna do it again. Oh, and I started adding Shine Jam to the 3 parts so that it'll be easier for me to braid. But y'all see how I braided my hair first this time and then fed the hair in? That's when it got better. And I started adding Shine Jam on my ends because my hair started getting fluffy once I was finished with braiding my actual hair in. So yeah, so we just keep going, keep braiding, keep braiding. Alright, so now we're at the hard part. I wanted to do it like you know how them girls do, like separate it in half and do like 2 feet ends into one. That's what I was trying to do, but your girl can't braid, so I made it do what it do. But it was still cute, so you know, it was still a pro. But yeah, so I added Shine Jam in my ends and just kept feeding in the hair. I was trying to make sure that part was perfect, boy. I stayed on that for like 30 minutes. Alright, so I'm halfway done with the front. So we're just gonna go ahead and do this piece over here. Like I said, you start braiding your own hair, and then I started feeding in 3 to 4 pieces. You see how they done got smaller as I done got to the front. So trust me, I didn't want my front to look like, you know, some jumbo braids. Just keep going down, keep going down. And I'm just gonna keep repeating the process. Y'all know how this go. Braiding always be like this. Alright, section off another piece. Put Shine Jam on ends and start braiding my own hair in. And start feeding in the hair. I can't tell y'all exactly how to feed the hair in because like I couldn't really see in the not in the front but in the back, and I really wasn't going off of like how they be telling you, like they be like, oh, put it just on one side, and I was trying to, but like it was hard trying to, you know, grab the hair and your hair because my other pieces of the part would get into the hair and it would all just look like a jumble. But like it wasn't hard, it was just the simple fact that I didn't know what I was doing. Alright, so we on our last piece. Just gonna keep repeating the process like I said, just adding hair and then start adding Shine Jam at the end so your braid don't look fluffy. And you're just gonna keep braiding down. Alright, so I put mousse on it afterwards and I just rubbed it through my scalp and rubbed it through the braids as well. We don't want no frizzies. Even though I still got frizzies, but it's cool, it's cool. Alright, so I dipped them off camera and now I'm measuring how long I want them to be so I would know where to cut them. I think that's a pretty length. Alright, so I started putting the beads and I was recording, but I think it turned off on me in the middle, so yeah. But yeah, so I started adding in the beads, and mind y'all, I broke the tool. So I was butt out for a good minute, so I had to, you know, fold the braid in half and find a way to slip the beads on the bottom of it so I could put them on. And I ran out of beads, y'all. Like, it was just a lot going on. Mind you, this is a trial and error thing. This was my first time doing the style. Oh, don't mind me, y'all. I was listening to Chris Brown. But yeah, I tried to add like 4 to 5 beads on each one. But yeah, like I said, I ran out. So I had to do what to do. Next time I'll know for sure. So once I put all the beads on, I started cutting the hair, well, the excess hair off with my little tiny scissors. But yeah, I started cutting them off or whatever, blah, blah, blah. But y'all, this is when I realized like the blue didn't show up as much as I wanted it to, because one, it was a two-tone color, so the blue was only like kind of at the tips and throughout the hair, so you can only for real see the blue at the ends. So next time I'll make sure I get like full blue braiding hair next time, but not even blue, I'm gonna get pink because I wanted to do pink in the first place. So yeah, but they were so cute, y'all. When I had finished cutting them, they were just fire, too fire. Alright, so I added my sheen spray. Yes, y'all, I look like Libby. But yes, look at them, they're so cute. Got the side part going. You can't tell you got nothing. Nada. But yes, y'all, so we're gonna come back with the finished look.
This is the finished look. Your girl is rocking these. Yes, y'all, and I did, you know, my little heart part. Yes, y'all, it was easy. It took me continuously probably like 10 hours. I took a day. I was taking it. So yes, you guys, so make sure you guys go follow my Instagram, go follow my TikTok. Make sure you guys go like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you guys for stopping by. I love you guys. Thank you for supporting me. I truly appreciate it. I really do. Make sure you guys keep running these views up, because your girl is gonna keep going. I 100% recommend for you to try it. It's not that hard. Even if you don't know how to braid, you'll be able to do this. I honestly believe that box braids are harder than this. It's doable. So I love y'all. Stick around and we're gonna be back. Peace.